Guys, for everyone who want to quit with whatever you are doing currently, this video is exactly for you. Because as you can see, I started almost 1 year ago with uploading on weekly basis, every week one video. And here on the main page you see I have currently 16 subscribers. And if you look back, almost 1 year ago, I had 0. I started with nothing and now I am at 16. And this is still the beginning. If we just look at the past 28 days, it is 1/4 of my total subscriber. And I know maybe it sounds like it is not a lot, but you don't need a huge audience. I changed while the process was going on a lot of my strategies. I stopped uploading shorts and it didn't matter if I gained subscriber via shorts because the people are just here for a short attention span. What I want is to build an audience and a community who support each other and spread my positivity over the world. I want to help you to start investing and have money aside. It doesn't matter if an emergency happens or you want to retire early. You will learn from my mistakes and be able to do everything of that. I don't want to pay right now my editor to make my videos. And as we can see, my video of the 4th of May went for my views insane. And that was a video which my editor made. If you look at my last video which I published, I created it and it took me so much hours and time. So for that I want to use an AI tool or find tools which support my channel. Because if we look at the competition, they have whole teams, which includes a lot of editors, the best software and hardware, script writer, content writer, thumbnail designer, etc. And how should I compete with them if I just starting? And that is the important thing. If you start, you have to try out different things. It doesn't matter what type of content you are uploading. The only thing which matter is to improve and just compare with yourself. Look at the past version of you. Did you improve or not? And that is the only thing that matters. Because like investing, building a brand and a YouTube channel is expansional. It could happen after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or even 10 years. It doesn't matter. One of your videos got insane. You will get the audience that you should have and be able maybe to live from that. It is important to protocol everything so you can see the improvements. And I know I got better in so much different areas. I just wanted to share it with you. And now let's go into my interactive broker because I'm as well responsible to show you how I improve there as well. Like you can see, I'm over 13,000 and the result is we are almost in the same times that we had in January. Like the market recovered a lot. And if we go into my positions, you will see how it works. My performance is right now with around $52 in profit and the overall profit is at a little bit over 770. What I want to show you is everything happens faster. As well, the stock market gets even more ups and downs. I want to be honest with you. Right now, it is not that easy to take the profits because now you should start to read into different companies, learn from it, and act after you made the research. And I don't want to do that. For me, the big sale, we can call it the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or whatever name you want to say, it's over. Maybe in the next 3 years, we will get a lot of more opportunities because with Trump's tariffs, it happens out of blue. And most probably, there will be another chance. But while the market is recovering and we have the usual prices, I would say, the only thing that I will invest on regular basis right now is my ETF, my S&P 500. If we look at it a little bit more in detail, my average cost price is at 538 and we are right now around 543 USD. And my goal is to show you, I started around 1 year with monthly investments. And while I started, the whole market was just going up. And I bought it every month when the price was getting even higher. And when I saw we had the big opportunity when the market crashed and you get prices like we had 1 year ago, I couldn't control myself. And that is something which is really important. You have to control your emotions. And I bought in big. I bought single stocks because they got discounted so huge, like for example Microsoft or Amazon or even more of Google. And I will maybe continue to buy a little bit more of Google in the next month and Nike. But right now you as well have to look more if it's worth it or not. For example, if we speak a little bit more about Google, they issue a lot of problems right now and nobody can predict the future about Google and there is nothing which is safe. The only thing which I would say is really important to do is to invest into an ETF, which is spread all over the world. You don't have to pick single stocks or even make a lot of research and spend time in investing. Everything should be automated So you don't have to go inside your broker on regular basis and as well pick single stocks and look at the news, make your research, etc. I just wanted to tell you, I have to figure out right now how I want to continue, how much time I want to spend, what kind of content I want to publish, and how my journey will go. And I can tell you, I won't stop until I can live from that. And it will happen. There's no way going back. There's no plan B. This is an all-in mentality. Read a lot of books. Improve every day, compare just with yourself, with the version you were yesterday, and see how discipline and motivation will bring you further. And with that, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.